I am Prahlad Kushtagi, one of the professors in Obstetrics and Gynecology at Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore, and a Chief Administrative Officer of Durga Sanjeevani Manipal Hospital, all constituents of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, a deemed to be university. Join me on Kasturba, a digital initiative, on 21st of November 2019, the Thursday, from 3 to 4 p.m. I will then be talking to you and discussing about Caesarean delivery rates. Is there a need to rationalize during the live webinar? It is a known and a felt fact that Caesarean delivery rates are on the increase and in fact have increased, and it has been a global phenomenon. The specialty boards, health organizations and administrative bodies have been trying to stem this increase. The issues that I wish to raise and bring about and address to during the webinar are: 1. Is there an optimal rate? Is it possible to set an optimal rate for Caesarean deliveries universally? And if Caesarean delivery vis-a-vis delivery via Naturalis is associated with higher maternal morbidity, mortality and poorer perinatal outcome, is it possible to plug this trend and make one accountable? Hope I will be able to address to these issues during the session of webinar on 21st of November 2019 between 3 to 4 p.m. This has been possible and made possible by the efforts of Dr. Shobana Patel, President of Kasturba, for conceptualizing this digital initiative. I take this opportunity to thank DocMode for providing the technology of this interactive interface. Thank you again. Let's meet on 21st of November 2019 between 3 to 4 p.m. Thank you.